Hello everyone, this is David from Willow. Today I want to introduce you one of our industrial vacuum cleaner, VGSB Ceros, which is certified by the ATEX. First, let me show you detail of this machine. The VGSB uses explosion-proof turbines, motors, and electric box. It's suitable for construction work condition and heavy dust extraction with explosion-proof requirements, such as activity metals processing, aluminum and magnesium as example, woodworking, food industry, and chemical industry. The VGSB table is equipped with a field cartridge and a manual field cleaning device. The field cartridge can filter 99% of dust of 0.3 microns. This is the pressure gauge to detect the field clogging. Here is an easy cleaning dust container. It can also be customized to use the continuous bagging system. This is all about our VGSB Ceros. If you want to know more about these machines, please feel free to contact with us. Thank you.